Do you know that the timing of drinking water can completely change how your body feels, from your energy levels to your skin glow, digestion, and even your mood? Most people focus on how much water to drink, but science says when you drink, it matters even more. Stay with me till the end, because I'm going to reveal 5 powerful times to drink water that can transform your health naturally. And trust me, tip number 5 is something almost nobody does, but it works like magic. Let's start with the most important one. The first thing in the morning. Before you brush your teeth, before you check your phone, drink a glass of warm water. Here's what it does. Flushes out toxins that built up overnight, activates your internal organs, kickstarts your metabolism, and helps your brain wake up faster. Studies show that drinking warm water right after waking improves digestion and even helps in fat metabolism. Add a slice of lemon or a spoon of honey if you want a natural detox and a morning energy boost. Most of us drink water while eating, which can actually weaken digestion. But drinking water about 30 minutes before a meal does the opposite. It preps your stomach for food, stimulates digestive juices, and even reduces overeating. When your stomach is hydrated before eating, it can break down food more efficiently, which means less bloating, better nutrient absorption, and even easier weight management. Do you usually drink water before, during, or after meals? Tell me in the comments below. I'm curious to see what most people do. Right after eating, your stomach is busy digesting food. If you drink water immediately, you dilute those natural acids, slowing down digestion. But 1 hour after eating is the sweet spot. By then, most digestion is complete, and water actually helps absorb nutrients into your bloodstream. It also prevents heartburn, constipation, and that heavy feeling many people get after meals. If you feel thirsty right after eating, take just a few sips, not a full glass. When you exercise, your body loses water through sweat. So drinking water after your workout isn't just refreshing, it's essential. Don't gulp down an entire bottle immediately. Drink small sips slowly. This helps your body absorb it better and keeps your electrolytes balanced. Benefits: faster muscle recovery, better joint health, and reduced fatigue. Add a pinch of salt or electrolyte powder to your water if your workout was intense. It helps restore minerals faster. And here's the one most people ignore: before bedtime. Drinking a small glass of water about 30 minutes before sleeping can help your heart and brain function better overnight. It improves blood circulation, prevents dehydration, and even lowers the risk of nighttime cramps. However, don't overdo it. Too much water before bed can disturb your sleep with frequent bathroom trips. Just a half glass is enough. Consistency is key. All right, let's recap the 5 golden times to drink water. 1. Right after waking up, 2:30 minutes before meals. 3. 1 hour after meals. 4. After exercise, 5:30 minutes before bed. If you build this habit, your digestion, skin, and energy levels will all thank you. So, which of these times do you already follow?